Stein Bartlett from Ski Bartlett. And today I've been skiing the Blizzard Sheeva 9. It's 92 underfoot, so it's quite wide, but an easy ski to ski. Obviously not very quick in short turns, but adequate. Longer turns, it's absolutely great. And although the conditions today didn't allow me to test in powder and off-piste, I think it would be a ski that would be very versatile for all that sort of thing. I think anybody aspiring to get off-piste and do a bit more, this would be a perfect ski.